Hey guys, welcome to a new clip. And like today I'm going to do my hair because like tomorrow we are going to school. Even though cornrows, especially the cornrows today. So like yeah guys are gonna come with me and stuff like that. And oh, I forgot to do my intro. Video. It's because like a lot was just going on. I wasn't in the mood of vlogging, but I literally tried vlogging. So I received bad news for cousin. So like I'm sure you guys saw in the clips where like I wasn't okay. I was literally not okay. So like this is gonna be a little bit messy. It's not gonna be a weekly vlog. It's gonna be a messy vlog because like it's gonna be prep with me for my photo shoot, my birthday photo shoot. Gonna get birthday month what the present there, the another birthday on top, the birthday on top, opening packing some presents for November because like there's just gonna be a lot going on. But then I'm gonna make sure her vlog in a Nabila. I promise. So like yeah, I'm going to do some cornrows today. I'll show you guys when I come back. If corner vlog, so like I don't know if the last time I showed you guys, but like yeah whole compared to the last time, cause ya hula kore o king langa ya bo ka reka dikgotsofatsa mara ya hula. But anyways, I wanna wear my cap and then I wanna go. My appointment is at 4 o'clock, but then like can you fitla kwa before 4 because ka itse once ka tswa mo ka 4 o fitla kwa ka 5, so kenya go ho tlhakatlhakantsha dinako. Anyways, bye guys. So guys, this is how my hair looks. I don't know why, but I'm just so in love with this hair. Even though it's plain and stuff, I just love my hair. Like, I just love my hair. And I can honey. Mara, I'm just in love with my hair, guys. Like, I'm just so in love. with my hair. I'm just so in love with my hair. Maybe so maybe Mara. Get it back to school. I thought, anyways. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, hello babies. Welcome to a new day and new clap. And then today it's a Saturday, so the weekend there before my birthday. So my birthday is on Monday. So like today it's Saturday, right? So my birthday is on Monday. And today was supposed to be my birthday photo shoot, but we have moved it to tomorrow. Since Women's Day, my mother went somewhere else. So like I won't feel comfortable. So far so good for my what's this, for my photo shoot prep. Let me show you guys what in. So I'm going to start with what I got good dragon seed, because I like, yeah guys saw the clips where get the dragon seed team, and I got a wig. So like, yeah, I give you a para. Yeah guys will see me tomorrow properly. So it came with 2 weave caps, and then I gave 8-inch kind of 8-inch bob. Yeah 8-inch bob, and it's a glueless wig. Mama ka bitse ba no it's a glueless, so that ke sa nna tseletsa gore even when I want to wear it tlamile ka installa ka irang. So yeah guys will see me wearing it tomorrow properly. Okay, I want to pila e tlhakatlhakane because I've been playing with it, because like it's my excitement the earlier where like I'm owning a wig. My first week, 16 years. And then I can like a shimmer. So I am super proud. So that's why I've been playing with it. So like, yeah guys, we see tomorrow properly. But then like, it's a clueless week and stuff. And stuff. So guys, it's like quality thing is very good. Like just because of but anyways, and then my mother also bought me some balloons. I said I want black and silver, but these are not for the photo shoot. This will be, yeah guys, it's 3G. But anyways, as I was saying, 24, I'm thinking of making a small nyana braai with my friends. Like not a big thing, just a braai nyana fela. I hope the weather is gonna be fine. I hope the weather's gonna be fine. So like, yeah, so I think this vlog is gonna end next week after birthday unka. I'm gonna drop, then if Kweta the chillers, I'm gonna put it in my other vlog, because after this vlog there's another vlog coming. Like I stay whole busy that. So like if I do 24 with a braai, I'm gonna make a new vlog. Yeah, braai, and then yeah guys will see. Let me not tell you guys my plans. Yeah guys will see. Like I wanna go pay. I guess I'll go to plans. So guys, I am done, and this is my first outfit. Like yeah, this is my first outfit, and then look at here I got it clean. So right now I am going to start with the photo shoot and stuff. anyways, let me go.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning. Wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you.
So like guys, I am done prepping and all that. As you guys can see, Mara, I just had a very long day and stuff, but then like we keep pushing. Anyways,
Wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But
happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi guys. Don't mind my throat. So like, welcome to new club. So the last time you guys saw me nearly on my birthday, so today it's a Friday, right? So I decided to like it's a present what gift opening on a Friday, because like if I were to chance you like what is it gift bamba ba re ba tla mpona on Monday, but then so tsona re tla di bona on Monday. So like yeah, so I gave them a chance, sorry, at least till Friday. Guys, I don't put this. Oh, I was busy with my first gift. I'll tell you guys what it in. Well, I am busy with that first gift. Where's the other part? Oh, I don't know where I took it. But now, you see that? I don't know. I can see the guy, but look at the first. But so like yeah, the first thing that my father bought me was a ring. As I was saying, so since that thing earlier will be a phone. But then like yeah, let's start with the king gift opening or gift haul. So like yeah guys, it's trying to study a little bit, but then like yeah, so my father bought me a ring light and bone. So he bought me a ring light, he bought me a phone case, and he bought me this. Like guys, Papa ka kuno be kamera be big. Like oh, thing is he stays funny. So like he didn't have that camera with I think 18. So like yeah, it's earphones that JBL and they are purple. Even my phone case is purple. I wish I could show you guys. My can show you one on this other part of the video. Like I'm done before the day before my birthday. Yeah. So like here they are. Okay guys. Next up, I'm not sure what I want to open next up, but then like let me just open Peter's present. So she bought me some flowers. I hope she buys you flowers. I hope she holds your hand. So she bought me some flowers. Alright, okay. So like yeah. And here's her present. So guys, budi chocolate December na ke jile ho bolela nnete ne. Unless it later job present that. So like here's the thing. And then like back up and look at this thing. So first thing we go factory. So she bought me this. Like next she bought me this fan, this cute little fan. Oh yeah, this cute little fan, guys. I love it. I love it because it's so small and cute. I'm gonna charge it. And then it comes with this little thing. You know. Wait, charge. And then here's a letter. I'm not gonna read it now. Because it's very long. And then go fade. It's written happy birthday, beautiful. Oh man. So like the reason why. So as I was saying, she wrote the reason why she bought me a crop top on that letter. So next is a present from Paco. So like okay, I got this today. Guys, I've been watching this bag. Like I've been eyeing it. Kamu Mr. Presi, kamu like man. This bag is very cute. I've been eyeing it with Mr. Presi. Guys. So inside Ubile had this hand patwati and then this lip what plus it's black. Thank you, Paco. Thank you. So guys, my phone is a little bit low, so next up, this is from my kidding. Yeah, kids baby tangas quite kids some bandere and or so like she bought me some snacks and then a layer and then little earrings. See these earrings, but not all of them. I'm not gonna use them. I'm just gonna use the small ones for sure. And I'm not into gold, guys. Mara, I'm gonna somehow sometime go to kiss. And she bought me some shoes. Like what kind of so like guys, I have the last present of the day, and it's from my mom, and I have it and then so if she buys me something else, I'm gonna show you guys I have it. So I'll see. So firstly, she got me this. I get to get a perfume or cologne. I get to read but they like, yeah. Guys, I've been wanting this with all my heart, and then it has that bow. You feel like it's my guys, but like got it will like a pose. But then like, yeah, the girl of the moment. Like guys, let's look at her. Shh. Where's the focus? This is the girl of the moment. This is the girl of the moment. Okay. 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 So this is the girl of the moment. So the earrings still quala air. So like yeah. So that's all for my haul for today. If you learn about the but at least maybe on Monday, then I'll put it in, because I think I'm gonna drop some of my bigger, but I was planning on dropping on Sunday, but I can't, guys. Like I have a lot going on. Like yeah, like I just have a lot going on, and then I can get matata ka bopela atlashe le YouTube yaga and stuff like that, you know. So like yeah. Anyways, see ya guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Hi guys, hi baby. So today, welcome to new clip. So today it's the next day, it's Saturday, and right now give it an hour and then I can go home then I think I'm gonna bath before my online class the top, because like I can watch what the online class to feel like a 12 and then that's the clap. So I wanna bath before the online class the thoma. For the kids or the I'm just gonna change and stuff like that. So like no can you go yes can you go look at my mama for fasting, because kale anti come chicken like kalanti come chicken. No, it's time where ki repair out that thing. I just love the way it is. So those I get so I wanna do it now. Then heck feta, I'm sure what happen. Then after bathing I'm gonna make some breakfast, then make sure online class I can eat home really soon. So like yeah. Guys, I am done with my Saturday classes, so I also bathed before I get home like class. So like right now can you happy just for you know because it's dry. I get feel like it's dry. So I want to go wash my face, then heck further. If you have reached to this part of the video, thank you. Ke a leboha. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification button so that it can notify you whenever I drop again. Bye guys.